Automation Direct presents What Is? Networking Edition. What is quality of service? Quality of service, or QoS, is a key feature in Ethernet switches that helps manage network traffic to ensure reliable performance, especially when the network gets busy. Imagine your network as a busy highway. Without QoS, all cars, data packets, move at the same speed, leading to jams where important traffic, like emergency vehicles, gets stuck. QoS acts like traffic control, prioritizing certain packets, so critical ones arrive faster and with less delay. At its core, quality of service works by classifying incoming data based on criteria like type, for example, voice calls, video streaming or file transfers, source, or destination. Switches use standards like IEEE 802.1p for Layer 2 tagging, or diffserv for Layer 3 marking, to assign priority levels, typically 0 to 7, with higher numbers getting VIP treatment. Once classified, packets are placed into queues. High-priority ones might use strict priority queuing, first in, first out for urgent traffic, while others use weighted fair queuing to balance fairness. In practice, on managed or smart switches, like unmanaged plus models, you configure QoS via software, command line interface, or DIP switches. For example, it ensures voice over IP calls don't stutter during a big file download, or industrial sensors get real-time data without lag in a factory setup. Benefits include reduced latency, jitter, and packet loss for time-sensitive apps, improving overall efficiency. However, QoS isn't magic. It requires proper setup to avoid starving low-priority traffic, and it's most effective in congested networks. Basic unmanaged switches often lack it, while advanced ones offer granular control. In summary, QoS turns chaotic data flow into an organized system, keeping your network running smoothly. Check out the wide range of networking and communication equipment we carry at AutomationDirect.com. Click here to see more videos on networking. Click here to check out all of our communication equipment. Click here to subscribe to our YouTube channel and keep up to date on all new products and developments at Automation Direct.